Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow Siri web search content on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Content Restrictions. Then we go down and go to the Siri section and tap on Web Search Content. In here, you can choose between allow or don't allow. And that's it. And now you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, or swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.